So in this video, we're going to see what sequence diagrams are. A sequence diagram, as in the class diagram and use diagram, we have the flow and its attributes and functions. But here, you're going to see how a diagram is going to pass on the messages to each relation organs that's present in a event. Let's say maybe an actor or a database, and how its messages are passed to each other, and a process of flow in the entire event is taking place. So sequence diagram as an actor, and unlike the class which has operations and attributes, here we are having something called a lifeline and messages. So lifeline is the dotted line that is below the class that's gonna say whether it's gonna be alive till the entire process or it's gonna stop in between. Then we have the activation and the message that's gonna say the message passes to the flow with numbering, text messages, and a function that's gonna hold in the entire process. So in my case, I'm gonna see whether an HR portal is gonna work in the flow of how he's gonna submit the application and take it back until the top to the bottom. Let me show what I made here. So I've taken 4 people again. Now I have the employee, an admin, an HR, and a database. So we have 3 actors that's gonna work the entire process and a database that's gonna conduct the event to hold in this process. So starting with the employee, a candidate is going to apply or register to the admin, to the database. That is, he's going to create an account so that he can get access to the application, fill it up, and submit it to the point. Let me start with employee. I have an actor. This is the lifeline. So I have the text messages passing on to each person here. Starting with employee, I have to register to admin, and this admin is going to put it into the database where I can get an access, username, and password. Then the resume is verified by the HR, and he accepts to go for a call interview for the employee. So it sends back the message saying call for interview. Here I'm going to send it again to register the interview saying yes or no, I accept for the interview, and the date and time is going to be given. So there's an interview process taken between the database or from the employee saying the date and time to the HR. Once the interview is done by the HR, this employee is gonna be added to the portal. So once this guy is added, he's gonna be offered an offer letter to his house. The call letter goes to him, and this guy, the employee, the candidate decides whether he should accept the job or not. If he accepts, he's gonna join the job. The job details are gonna be sent, what he's gonna work as, what position, where he's gonna stand, which branch, whatever else said. Then he's going to be provided with the salary details, and he manages the payroll of the entire process, ends by joining the job and work it completely done. So the lifeline gets done here, the message is passed, and sequence diagram, as said in the name, it's going to be a flow of process but in a state ways, in a relationship way. Thank you.